Hello everybody, this is going to be a ukulele tutorial for Dream a Little Dream of Me. The way I'm doing it, it's kind of a combo of a few different versions, but maybe mostly it's inspired by the Ella Fitzgerald and Louis Armstrong version. If you have not seen my cover yet, you can check it out right here, so you know what we're going to do. Let me know if you would like to see a finger style of this. If I see enough comments down below saying I want the finger style, I'll do it. So yeah, also make sure you hit the like button and let's go.
Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me when I'm alone.
Alright, so now I'll come a little bit closer to show you the intro that I'm doing, and then we'll take a look at the chords and the parts. Alright, so I start by barring the 5th fret, and then on the E string I'm doing 5th to 8th, and then 5th on the A string, and then I grab, alright, and then I grab like this from top to bottom, 4, 5, 4. And first I'm playing just the upper 3 strings, and then on the A string only I'm doing with the pinky 5, 7, 8. Alright, and then I'm sliding the hand and I'm playing on the C string 7th fret, E string 8th fret, A string 10th fret. Okay, and then I'm removing the pinky from here. I need to play the 7th fret of the A string, and then on the E string 10, 8, and sliding the whole shape just 1 fret down, playing just the C and E string, and then I bar the 5th fret again, but again try to play the C and E string only. And from here I'm doing, alright, 5, 8, and then on the A string 7, 10, 7, back to E string 5, 8, on the A string 7, and now here I'm grabbing like this. Alright, C string 8th fret, E string 7th fret, and the A string 10th fret. And after that I'm barring the 7th fret and grabbing G7. And then I start the verse. Alright, so slowly, let's see the whole thing. Stars. Alright, let's go to see the other parts. Okay, let's see the chords that we need. First we need the chord of C. Alright, then we need the chord of B7, which you can grab like this with a bar on the 2nd fret, or the other option would be like E minor, keeping the A string open. Then we have the chord of G sharp, which I'm grabbing like this, avoiding the G string, okay? And then the chord of G. Also after that we need the chord of A, the chord of A7, then the chord of F, the chord of F minor, and then the transition to the bridge, we need the chord of E7. Also after that we need the chord of F sharp minor, the chord of B minor. Alright, if that's too hard for you, maybe you can just bar the 2nd fret, it will sound good too. Then we need the chord of E, which I'm grabbing like this. You can just think of like slapping your finger on the 4th fret and muting the A string. Okay? Or if this E chord scares you too much, you can just replace it with E7. All right? All right, so let's see the chord progression for the verse. Starting with C. To B7, to G sharp, to G. And again, C, holding it more this time, to A, to A7, and then F, hold it, to F minor, hold it, and then C, to G sharp, to G, hold it, okay? Stars shining bright above you, night breezes seem to whisper I love you, birds singing in a sycamore tree, dream a little dream of me. Alright, and now let me show you the little fills that I'm doing. Stars shining bright above you. And here I'm doing this on the G string. 3, 2, 1, open to C. Alright? I think that this is what Louis Armstrong is doing with the trumpet while Ella Fitzgerald is singing. Actually, right after her singing. So, stars, la, ba, da, ba, doo. Night breezes seem to whisper I love you, birds singing in a sycamore tree, dream a little dream of me. And here in between the two verses in the beginning I'm doing, which is while holding the G chord. Alright, with the pinky I'm going on the 3rd fret of the C string, and I slide it to the 4th fret, and then I play E string, and then again on the C string the same, but this time I'm getting back to the 2nd fret of the C string and getting to do another verse after that. So, say nighty night and kiss me, just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. When I'm alone, as blue as can be, dream a little dream of me. And here, E7 after the 2nd verse, and we go to the chorus. Stars fading, but I linger on there. And here I like to do a little walk down again. Alright, so when I'm holding the E chord like this, I'm doing on the C string 4, 3, 2, and on 1, I'm on A major. Alright? Stars fading, but I linger on there, just craving your kiss. On the 2nd time, I'm not doing it to not be oversaturated with this. To linger till down in, but on the 3rd time, just saying this. Alright? And we have the last verse. Sweet dreams, still sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave all worries far behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. And I finish it on C. And pretty much this sums up my version of Dream a Little Dream. Thank you so much for watching it. Let me know if you want the finger style for this, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.